What's good, Sneak family? It's your boy Reggiejaysneakz coming to you guys today with a new video. Today's video will be a trip to Burlington Coat Factory as well as Marshalls. I've been getting a lot of DMs for people telling me to go to Nordstrom Rack as well as Burlington Coat Factory again. I don't know if we're gonna find anything at Burlington Coat Factory because the one from my house never really have much. But I mean, I'm willing to still go because you guys is asking for it. But the Burlington Coat Factory that I normally go to is right next to a Marshall, so I'll probably just go ahead and hit both. But I need you guys to just stop what you guys are doing, drop a like, as well as subscribe. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that notification bell on so you guys know when I drop a new video and what I am dropping. But in the meantime, you guys are gonna get straight into this video. Alright, so now we have Marshalls looking at their clearance. These is in here. 54 bucks. And these are these back here 45. These in here for 39 bucks.
A few moments later.
One, two, and three. What? It worked.
And that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. Burlington, I think I'm gonna stop doing for a minute because every time I go to Burlington, you never really find too much. Same thing with TJ Maxx. Either they don't have enough shoes or they don't have nothing really in there. So I don't want to keep on wasting you guys' time with that. I just wanted to go because I have been getting a lot of people telling me to go there because they found stuff there. Local Burlington Coat Factory. Maybe I just need to try different ones, but the ones by my house ain't too great as you guys just seen. But this is all cool because I have a lot more videos coming up for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, like I told you at the beginning of the video, make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like, let me know what you guys are copying from this video in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell on so when I drop a new video, you guys know what I'm dropping. And if you guys want to stay in tune with me, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Reggiejaysneakz. All of those links will be down in the description down below. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, Sneak family. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.